Expert content optimization guide that will boost your organic traffic. DigiPro marketers. In straightforward words, content optimization alludes to the act of reliably improving a site to get high rankings in the natural index lists of popular web search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, Baidu, etc. Be that as it may, there is significantly more to site optimization than just upgrading your site for Google. It includes an entire array of things, directly from the UX client experience you convey, marketing endeavors you made, to the content plan you have on your site. It is difficult to get a higher position in the online existence where incalculable sites are attempting to get the best spots similarly as you may be. Here we go. Exploration and use of relevant keywords. Website optimization on Google includes exploring and utilizing the correct keywords. What do your clients scan for when searching for something identified with your business? You can utilize the keyword research tools accessible online to discover pertinent keywords. Search purpose of the client. Search purpose alludes to the specific data that the client is searching for. You have to see how to utilize these two keywords in your site pages to rank for the correct phrase. Utilization of long-tail phrases. How client search nowadays has experienced an enormous change. An expansion in the utilization of brilliant gadgets has driven individuals to rely more upon voice help with them composing their inquiry. How individual search is changing, and they use a voice help tool. Voice search is progressively conversational, which justifies an expansion in the utilization of long-tail phrases. Improving meta descriptions and page titles. You have your rundown of keywords, and now, the time has come to streamline the page title. We're discussing the HTML less than title greater than angle here and not what comes up on the page. As a rule, the site design optimization organizations alter it in the SEO module or the site control board. Your keywords ought to show up in the page titles, usually to help SEO. Recall that the titles come up in the index lists. You're attempting to state what the page is going to make the clients click on your posting. In any case, recollect that the thought isn't forfeit coherence by packing the title brimming with keywords. The meta depiction is the subsequent stage after you're finished setting the page title. It expands on the reason of the page to allure more clients to click. A disclaimer to refer to here is that meta depictions don't legitimately impact rankings, yet expanding your snaps is unquestionably identified with your commitment measurements. When meta depictions connect more clients to tap on your connection, Google will compensate you with a higher position. Effective use of content marketing. Website optimization depends on content advertising since it's the articles, web journals, and keywords that are drawing your visitors. 70% of computerized advertisers excitedly make interests in content showcasing. The keyword research has given you a rundown of terms dependent on various pursuit aims. It is time presently to utilize those terms in our content in a specific way. Convey extraordinary content. Utilize your keywords to produce point thoughts for your content. Go past making web journals on the points, and consolidate the terms in website pages, white papers, and ebooks. In any event, creating video content dependent on the subject is a smart thought. Recall that it's not tied in with sprinkling phrases liberally in your content. To rank, your content needs to convey an incentive to the perisers. Pick credit picks away. Continue refreshing your content. You can't depend on a specific blog entry to continue carrying guests to your webpage for a considerable length of time. Also, content on a website must be updated regularly. Enhance your content for new keywords. Include new content routinely. Update realities or insights that may have changed as of late. Streamline the metadata for web search tools. Invigorate the language for improving it. Communicate in the language of your intended interest group. The tone of your content is vast in attracting clients. Also, the sound relies upon the intended interest group and the results of your image. Building relevant links to your business. External link establishment is the straightforward procedure of getting different sites to interface back to your site. Quality connections signal Google that your website is commendable enough to be referred to. There is no denying that third-party referencing is one of the most troublesome parts of SEO, and this is where most amateurs stall out. Follow these straightforward systems to increase some backlinks to improve your web crawler visibility. Discover email address for link building. Discover authoritative websites that is relevant to your business. Also, it's an ideal practice finding for their email address. Use a site's contact structure just if all else fails. It's a dark opening. In any case, consider the possibility that you need to connect with a highly authoritative site. Send them a personalized message or email. If you need to scale outreach, you have to utilize the content. Try to make your content not resemble content, more on that in the subsequent stage. Be that as it may, presently, here's a case of one of my best performing email contents. Hey, first name. I searched for content on topic today when I saw your article. Article title. Great stuff. I particularly appreciated something explicit from their article. Likewise, I simply distributed another guide on your topic URL. As somebody that expounds on topic, I thought you'd appreciate it. My guide may likewise make a pleasant expansion to your page. In any case, keep up the magnificent work with website. Talk soon. The name. Notice how the content permits a lot of personalization without a mess of exertion. Investigation of competitors' backlinks. Surveying the connections of your rivals is regularly an extraordinary method to perceive interface openings. Take a gander at your top competitors in an online apparatus to get your connection openings. Be that as it may, don't duplicate every connection you find here. The point is to pick quality, not amount. In this way, inquire as to whether your possibilities will be keen on tapping on the connection. Depend on the index locales. Index locales, for example, Thomson AL, can be helpful as well. Google your area, keywords, and the postings that highlight the web crawler's primary page. It merits searching out the posting that you feel your objective clients will find and snap on. Make decent connections near your business. You can leave tributes for the organizations you have worked with, such as your SEO company, website specialist, or web-based life organization. These are the organizations that have a decent connection with you and are probably going to be nearby. They can produce essential links for you. Get registered on Google Search Console. Dislike, you can find a way to improve your web index positioning and afterward take it easy. You should continually check whether your techniques are working or not, and later, change the methodology in like manner. A touch of tweaking, to a great extent, can lead your site to a superior position step by step. Register your site on Google Search Console for investigating it. It is a suitable apparatus that offers symptomatic criticism that you can use for improving how your website shows up in the list items. Remember that the internet searcher is legitimately guiding you and stay away from through this device, and there is no explanation behind you not to exploit it. You will discover more data about this here. Summarizing. There you have all the vital information you need about website and content optimization. Website design enhancement isn't that convoluted to make sense of. It is tied in with giving the web crawlers what they need to convey an extraordinary client experience. Having a thought regarding the essentials of SEO can go far in ensuring that.